Hey everyone, it's Erin Hennessy from Blush Aesthetics. I wanted to talk with you today about microneedling or microchanneling or collagen induction therapy. Those are all terms for very similar procedures. We have three different types of microneedling in our practice, and we're having a special currently. So, we are having a special on kind of what I would call our stage one microneedling. So, we have, a little bit more superficial, doesn't have radio frequency necessarily. This is great for people who want some smoothing, some tightening of their fine lines and wrinkles, a nice kind of glow and some volume to their skin overall. This is a great treatment for folks that want that. It does induce some collagenesis, it stimulates fibroblasts. So it gives the skin a really nice finish, a really nice sheen. It helps you build collagen underneath the skin. So if you're doing things like using a medical grade retinol, using good products on top of the skin. We're working from two different angles, which we love. The stage two microneedling is radio frequency microneedling, and it's superficial radio frequency microneedling. We tend to stay away from that in the summer because of the risk of hyperpigmentation. And then the third stage is actually very deep microneedling, and that is for more aged skin that has a little bit more damage to it. Usually, we're recommending that for folks 40 and up who really need that great tightening along with the brightening and the smoothing. They need a lot more volume, they need a lot more skin tightening. So, the first stage microneedling, which is what we have on special for $395 for the rest of May as well as the month of June, is a great first step. If you're thinking about getting into aesthetics, you're thinking about starting to take care of your skin, you're not sure where to start, this is a great first step. It's not going to make you sun sensitive per se. Certainly, we're always wearing sunscreen, but it's not something that's a chemical that's going into your skin that's going to make you sun sensitive. It's actual mechanical needles that go very teeny tiny needles that go into the skin and then they come back out. And as they do that, we're also putting a different type of serum and growth factor on the skin. So, what you end up with is no to low downtime, very little downtime, if any, a little bit of redness to the skin, plumping of the skin, and it just looks very glowy and very beautiful. So, we like to put a couple different things on the top of the skin. You have to be very careful about what you're A, microneedling in, or B, putting on the skin afterwards, because if you're putting in things that can't be injected into the skin, it's probably not the right thing. So, we have very specific formulations that we put on the skin that really maximize the collagenesis, that maximize the work of those fibroblasts in the skin to give you a great result. So, if you have dullness to your skin, if you have fine lines, if you have wrinkles, if you have some acne scars, if you're looking for a great first step, if you have lines on your forehead that are more scarred down, that are present even when you're not animating, this is a wonderful treatment to add on to your Botox, because what it's going to do is it's going to build collagen underneath while we're also disabling the muscle from making those lines. And so you're going to get better results. You're going to get better effects from your Botox. So normally this treatment is $595 for the end of May and all of June. We're going to have this treatment at $395 so that folks can get started with it. It's safe to do in the summer. We're all wearing sunscreen, which is great, but it is safe to do on tan skin. So if you've already been outside, been enjoying the weather, have a little bit of a tan to your skin, it's okay to get microneedling done. The way that we do it is very, very safe. And we would love to meet you, love to talk to you more about this and to kind of evaluate which stage you should start with, or I should say end with sometimes. So occasionally, this is a great kind of dip your toe in the water of aesthetics. Maybe you need a little bit more. And then for your next treatment, we choose another modality. That's the wonderful thing about being able to customize treatment plans to your skin is each visit sometimes your skin might need something a little bit different, and that's okay. We have the capability of going more aggressively if we want to, but we also have the capability of going less aggressively, maybe just doing more treatments. So if you're interested and you want to try it out, it's a great time to do that because we have a really great special going. So if you think you're interested or want to know more about it, you can always visit our Instagram or Facebook pages. We have some FAQs on the Facebook page. Instagram doesn't let us post that, but we have a link on Facebook. Or you can give us a call or a text at 419-520-SKIN, or you can visit our website, blushnwo.com. Thanks for joining me, everybody. Have a great night.